Dear learners, in this session, I'm going to discuss various comparison operators used in Python. Why comparison operators are required? As you can observe, the major purpose of comparison operator is it is used to compare two values or expression and return a Boolean result. In the sense, you will be getting the result in the form of either true or false based upon the comparison. Also, these comparison operators allow you to test conditions and make decisions in your code. It is mainly used for the decision making. As example, if you want to use like decision making statements, okay, and a conditional statement, you require comparison operators. Now, let us discuss what are the various comparison operators which are used in Python. Equal to, it is indicated by this is a symbol for indicating the equal to. Also, you can observe how to represent not equal to. Not equal to can be represented by following by one exclamation mark and equal to. This is a symbol for less than. And you can see another operator greater. Then less than equal to means you can use this symbol. If I want to go for like a greater than or equal to operator, I would like to go for this type of symbol. So for the better convenience, I would be showing you a table that you can note down so that your job will be very easier. So please note down this table to familiar various comparison operators which is used in Python. So kindly note down this statement and prepare a table so that it is required whenever you are doing the programming. First of all, we'll see some examples. Need for equal to. Why equal to is required? You know, it is used for checking two values or expressions are equal or not. Returns true if the values are equal, otherwise you will be getting the result as false. Let's see how it works. Now I'll be typing two variables x and y. Values of x and y are same. So result, if it is correct, that means x equal to y, then result will be correct. So now let us see display result. Okay, let's run the program. Yes, you can observe here x equal to y, therefore output is true, result is true. Fine. Why the expression operator not equal to is used? It is represented by the symbol in this fashion. Now you can see how it works. Checks if the two values or expressions are not equal. Returns true if they are not equal. False, they are equal. Now we can see another example. X equal to 5 and x equal to 3. Result that will be equal to x not equal to y. Result must be true only because obviously we can see that 5 is not equal to 3. Now let's see the example. Now let me type the program. Let x equal to 5, y is equal to 3, then result. Okay, so display. I wanted to show the result. Okay. Now let's run the program. Yes, of course, you can see that result will be true only because 5 not equal to 3, correct? So we studied how to use not equal to operator. Next, we can understand how to use less than. So the less than, the operator less than, which checks if the values of the left is less than the values of the right. Returns true if the left value is less than right value and false otherwise. This is a operation of less than operator. Let us see how does it work. Now please consider the program. So display result. Okay, now let me run the program. Yes, you are right. X equal to 3, y is equal to 3. X is less than, y is equal to 5. Obviously, x is less than 5 only. Therefore, result will be true. This is the way how to use less than operator. Hope you are getting my point. You are understanding. Now we can go for like a greater than also. Check if the value on the left is greater than the value on the right. Definitely, the result will be true. Return true if the left value is greater than right value, otherwise false. So very simple. Okay, you can test the same thing using any of the compile interpreter in Python. So x equal to y, x equal to 5, y is equal to 3. Here result x greater than y. That means answer will be true only. You will be getting the output as true because the result will be in the form of Boolean, right? In the sense true or false. Another one is called a less than or is equal to. What is the significance of less than or is equal to? check if the value on the left is less than or equal to the value on the right. Here, how does it work? Returns true if the left value is less than or is equal to the right value. You will be getting the false result if the condition is in controversially or opposite. Now, how does it work? Here you can see like x equal to 5, y is equal to 5. Then result equal to x less than or is equal to y. The answer, the output you will be getting like a true. Why? Because x less than or is equal to y. Okay, this operator will work in this fashion. If you want, I will show you the program. Open your interpreter. So here I have typed the result. Okay, like a display the result. So let's see how does it work. How does less than or equal to operator works? Let's run the program. Yes, of course, the answer is true only because 5 less than or is equal to 5. The statement is correct only. Fine. So moving further, same fashion you can verify greater than or equal to. Check if the value on the left is greater than or equal to the value on the right. Returns true if the left value is greater than or equal to the right value. You will be getting the false result if the condition is not met. So this is the example you can verify once. The same fashion that we verified already. So in this session, we discussed about the various operators, comparison operators, which is mainly used in the conditional statements, especially the conditional statements, greater than or is equal to, less than or is equal to, greater than, less than, not equal to, and I prepared the list as well. You can go through once. Okay. If you have any queries, please let me know and try to solve the programs also so that you will be getting some kind of the exposure. Thank you so much for watching this video. Happy learning.